Ah, I just got in my eye. No. Now I don't know what to do. This is a video that I filmed in February. I had no idea that this footage was even on my laptop until now, when I was clearing up all my college stuff that I had and didn't want on my computer anymore. So enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing an 8-part series of drawings and paintings for one of my classes. Across all 8 of these paintings or drawings, I'll be using different formats, 5 supports and 5 visual elements, and 5 application methods. As right now, I'm not really sure what medium I'm going to be using. I have an idea of what I'm thinking about using. I've already started one in class, which is acrylic paint on gesso board. I'll give you like a close-up in a minute. Anyways, let's just get started with this project because I have a lot to do. So here is the acrylic painting. I don't know what this fuzzy stuff is on here. When I was working on it in class, it was still wet, so I needed to go to my next class, so I had put this over it thinking I was protecting it, but then when I got home and peeled it off, it actually peeled on this, whatever this thing is made out of. Our thing has to have a theme, and my theme is flowers and drawing the figure, so having a figure in each illustration and having flowers in each illustration is what I'm going for. I sketched these all digitally, and yeah, I don't have enough room to spread everything out, but I'll just show you guys. Here, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Someone in my class said this looks like a tattoo design. It kind of does. I'm gonna redo that one though. This whole class is about finding your visual language. Okay, so I'm gonna redo these. I like the flower in this one, and I like the hand in this one. So I'm gonna make this an inking drawing because I really like how it looks. I'm just gonna redo it. Found some Bristol board. I didn't even know I had this, honestly. Being an art student and loving art in general, just collect a bunch of stuff that you don't even use. For the Bristol, I'm gonna use some ink on here, and for the watercolor paper, I'm gonna be using these watercolors. Keep my markers. Oof. So I'm gonna be using blue, purple, and pink because those are the colors that I always use. Because I like those colors. Now for this one, I'm thinking more of like a sunset kind of vibe. So now I don't know what to do. Okay, so since the shoe one is gonna be pink, purple, and blue, which are my favorite colors, I think the other one I'm gonna do like a sunset, and it's just gonna be like ink, like just sunset in the background and just ink for the wash. So I think that's what I'm gonna do instead. So I have my watercolor paper. I have my, what is this called? Ooh, hold on. It's even straight. Ooh, it's the uneven cut for me. Is it doing something? Oh, it is. Yes, it looks like bubbles. Okay, so this does work with markers too. So for the sunset one, I'm doing pink, orange, yellow. How to describe it? Nice. No, don't tell me you're drying out right now.
Do not do that to me.
Okay, that's enough, I think. That should be enough. Oh! Ah! I just got in my eye. Oh my god. Maybe I'll do like kind of like a spotty, kind of like this. Kind of like, not like a regular gradient, but kind of like, so it just blends together nicely. Maybe I'll add some yellow in there too, because that's one of my favorite colors too. I'm not gonna add it next to the blue because I don't want it to make green, so I'm gonna add it in the corner. Oh shoot, it already looks green. Dang it. Let me go ahead and spray it. Oh, now that looks cool. I sprayed it from afar this time. Let me add it at the bottom. kind of messed up in this area. I got confused with the lines, but other than that, I'm pretty satisfied. So I'm ready to move on to the next one. Get out of here. I just realized that this looks like a flower. That's so cute. And it's very on theme, too. Who is screaming like some monkeys outside? What in the world? I hate living on college campus. This one, no, I had a different vision for that. This one, nah. This one, nah. I am not happy with this. This is like the ugliest thing I ever created, like ever in the history of my life.